Bekuhlonishwa amaqhawe namaqhawekazi angasekho ashona ngesikhathi esebenza ngaphansi kohlelo lokugcina ukuthula lwenhlangano yezizwe. Ukuzinikela nokuzidela kwabo kusakhunjulwa. Kuze kube manje angamakhulu 462 amasosha ombutho wezokuvikela wakuleli ashona emkhankasweni wokudala uxolo emhlabeni. Amalungu emndeni yamasosha ashona ehlulekile ukuzibamba ngenkathi efikelwa umunyu kulomcimbi.
Everything that happened made us feel, very, very honored in the way in which our loved ones are being remembered, and in this way it makes it very special because it feels good to be a part of something bigger.
Yize izinsiza kusebenza zingenele, iSANDF ithi limqoka igalelo layo emzameni yokuletha ukuthula. Kusenjalo umbutho uthi usaqhubeka nokubamba iqhaza ezinhlelweni zokuletha ukuthula enyakatho yeMozambique.
Peace in Mozambique will also benefit the region in that when we contain the problem there, it may not permeate and trouble you. People will be able to go on with their day-to-day lives. But if we sit back, that problem in Mozambique, there is no guarantee that it may not permeate to affect us as well.
The success of our involvement in Mozambique, it's not just a military effort. It would be with any other war progress we make through the other interventions in other spheres.
INingizimu Afrika ingelinye lamazwe ahamba phambili ngokweseka iUN ngamasosha ezinhlelweni zayo zokuthula.
South Africa is the 25th largest contributor of peacekeeping personnel in the world. This shows you the importance of its contribution to UN peacekeeping missions, particularly in Africa.
Isiqubulo sakulonyaka sigqugquzela sithi People, Peace, Progress, the Power of Partnerships. Ngaso kugqugquzelwa ukubambisana ekuletheni ukuthula emhlabeni.